Welcome to BrandCrock plugin configuration video. In this video, we explain plugin configuration for price range. First, we need to install and activate the price range plugin through Plugin Manager. Now go to Plugin, Configuration and select Yes and save. Now go to Items Overview, search item by ID, and edit item. Go to Variant tab, and then Configuration. Select Selection or Picture in Configurator type drop-down. Click Generate Variants, then click Yes. Now click Start Process. Now go to Shop and refresh to see the changes. Thanks for watching. Try our plugin now, for 30 days, free trial. Click on the link given in the description to download free trial version. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.